Hello student, myself Pradeep Ghare from SGM College, Karad. In this lecture, we study some basic concepts of information technology. Here, basics of information technology. First, you see the definition of information technology. Definition of information technology is IT is a technology that we use in order to create, collect, process, protect and store information. It refers to the hardware, software and computer network. Okay. Definition of information technology is IT, that is information technology, is a technology that we use in order to create, collect, process, protect and store information. It refers to the hardware, software means computer programs and computer networks. This is the definition of the information technology. In information technology, there are two important concepts, that is data and information. That is data and information. Data and information. These two terms are different. Data and information, these two terms are different. In data means collection of facts and figures. Data is a collection of collection of facts and figures. That is randomly data collected. Data is a collection of facts and figures. Data is just like raw material. On data, we cannot take decision. Okay, on data you cannot take decision. In information, the processed data or formatted data is referred as a information. Okay, data is a collection of facts and figures, but information is the process of data on which this collected data you can process on it, and then the result is converted in information. Information is the processed data. On information you can take the decision. I say here, data is just like the raw material. Information is the finished goods. On information you can take the decision. For example, the best example of data and information is, my question is how many students are studying in 11th class A division. X student says 122, another student say 125, another say 130, another student say 135, and exactly you count. Then figure comes, the exact figure, that is 130. 130 is the information. This data is just like the collection of facts and figure. This data is just like the raw material. Information is the finished goods. On information you can take the decision. On data you cannot take decision because Data is just like raw material. Data is a collection of facts and figure. On processor, the processor data is called information. The exact figure comes, that is 130 is the information, and these figures are the data. On data you cannot take decision, on information you can take the decision. That's why the information is always decision making. Then next we study the various concepts used under IT, information technology. Various concepts used in information technology. Various concepts used in information technology. First is the computer. First is computer. Computer is an electronics device. This device accept data, process data and get desired result. Computer is an electronic machine. This machine access data, process data and get desired result. Then architecture of computer. Architecture of computer. Architecture of computer. Every computer system has three basic components. Every computer system has three basic components, that is input unit, control unit, that is CPU, central processing unit, and next is output unit. Input unit or input devices. These devices is used for give the information to computer. The devices in which you can give the information to the computer, these devices are called input unit. Second is central processing unit. This is the heart of computer system. In central processing unit, the given data is processed, stored. And stored and give the result to the output unit. The output unit or output device are the devices in which these devices you can give the result or display the result. The processor result will be displayed on output unit. Here we study the block diagram of computer. Block diagram of computer. Computer is basically divided in main three parts, that is input unit or input device, CPU and output unit. Input unit, then CPU is again divided in main three parts, that is memory unit, control unit and arithmetic logic unit. In memory unit there are mainly two types of memory, that is primary memory and secondary memory. Memory consists primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory and secondary memory. Secondary memory. This memory is primary memory and secondary memory. The example of primary memory is RAM and ROM. Secondary memory is basically used for stored large amount of data. Then second unit in CPU is control unit. Control unit, that is CU. Control unit, that is CU. And then last is arithmetic logic unit. All mathematical calculations are performed in ALU. All mathematical calculations are performed in ALU, that is arithmetic logic unit, that is ALU. That is arithmetic logic unit. All mathematical calculations are performed in ALU, that is arithmetic logic unit. And then the processed data is displayed or printed on output unit. Output unit. Input unit, CPU central processing unit, that is CPU central processing unit. Central processing unit have three parts, that is memory unit, control unit and arithmetic logic unit, and the result will be displayed on output unit. This is the basic block diagram of computer system. Computer system is mainly divided in three parts, that is input unit, central processing unit and output unit. That is, you can give the data through input unit to CPU. CPU process your data. CPU is process your data, and then finally the information is displayed on output unit. This is the flow of the data. You can give data to computer or to give the data to CPU by using the input devices. Input devices means the devices in which you can give the information to the CPU, give the data to the CPU. CPU process your given data and then finally give the result on output devices or output unit. Finally the result means information will be displayed or printed on output unit or output devices, the devices in which you can print or view the result in the form of soft copy and hard copy. This is the basic block diagram of computer system. Here input unit means, or input devices means the devices in which you give the data to the CPU. CPU data can be stored, data can be processed by using arithmetic logic unit. All controls are performed in CPU central processing unit. Then processed data is displayed on output device or printed on output device. The processed data, the entered processed data, that is information, is displayed on output unit or output devices. The input unit or input devices, the examples of input units are the keyboard, mouse, scanner, etc. are the examples of input unit. The examples of input unit is keyboard, mouse, scanner. Keyboard is a standard input device. Keyboard is a standard input device or standard input unit to give data to the CPU. Mouse is a pointing device. All of you know the mouse. Mouse is a pointing device. Scanner, you can give images to the CPU by using the scanner. Keyboard, mouse, scanner, these are the input units or input devices. Memory unit mainly divided in two types, that is primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory, the best example of primary memory is RAM and ROM. Secondary memory is also called auxiliary memory. On secondary memory, large amount of data can be stored on secondary memory. Primary memory, the best example of primary memories are the RAM, random access memory, and read-only memory. RAM and ROM are the examples of primary memory. Secondary memory, the best examples of secondary memory is computer hard disk, pen drives, CDs, that is compact disk, SSD, that is solid state drive. These are the examples of secondary memory. On secondary memory, large amount of data can be stored. On primary memory, limited data can be stored as compared to primary memory. Secondary memory, large amount of data can be stored. Control unit, controlling all parts of the computer system, is the main function of the CPU is the control unit, controlling all parts of or controlling all units of the computers. Then arithmetic logic unit, all mathematical calculations, all logicals are performed in ALU, arithmetic logic unit. This primary memory, secondary memory is a memory unit. Then control unit, ALU, CU and MU. MU means memory unit. These three units are considered as a CPU, central processing unit. The processed data is displayed on output unit or output devices. The best examples of output units or output devices is monitor, printer, plotter. These are the examples of output unit or output devices. On monitor, you can see the information as a soft copy. On printer, information is in the form of printed, that is hard copy. The processed data is converted in information, and this information displayed on output unit or output devices. This is the block diagram of computer.